Hello grade 2s, today is Monday and it is time for our spelling lesson this week. This is our last step for spelling this week, so you have done a terrific job and let's finish strong this week. I have pulled down our vowels. Can you say our vowels with me? A, E, I, O, and U. Now, we know our vowels have more than one sound. We're going to talk about the short sound and the long sound, okay? The long sound is when they say their name. So let's do the short sound of A would be a, and the long sound would be A. The short sound for E is a, and the long sound for E is E. The short sound for I is I. The long sound is I. I hope you're joining me. The short sound for O is aw, and the long sound would be O. Short for U would be and the long sound would be U, okay? And we have learned in reading that when the vowel is closed in, it says it's short sound, but when nothing comes after the vowel, it says it's long sound, okay? So for example, if I have this word, you will see that there is a letter after the E, okay? So it closes it in, so it's going to say eh. So it's sh, ed, sh, ed. But if I take the D off and it's an open syllable now, it's going to say its name, sh, e. Now the vowel is going to say its long sound or its name, sh, e, okay? So we're going to practice this week with open and closed, okay? And if it's closed in, it's going to say its short sound. If it's open, it's going to say its long sound, okay? So the other word that I would like to build for us, that's a little bit of a different word. Let's sound this one out. Them. This is the word them. But when I take the M off, does it say e, the? No, this is the word the. So this is a little bit of an exception because it doesn't follow the rules. So it's saying the. Also, you know that when we have an A by itself as the word, that we say I have a dog or I have a dog. So it doesn't say A even though it's open and it's by itself. It's a or it's a. Okay? So I want us to keep in mind when we are doing our vowels that they can have a short sound if they're closed in, or they can say their name if they are open. So in your spelling book, I would like you to open to a new page, okay? And I'm just going to get my markers here. We're going to open to a new page, and we're going to put step 24 on the top, okay? And we're also going to put today's date. Okay, which is June 7th. Okay, so we're going to put step 24 and June 7th at the top. And then you're going to notice that down your margin, you put the number on the one side, write the word, skip a line. You're going to go all the way to 10. I'm going to get my red marker so I can draw my margin. And if you need to hit pause to give you time to do this, then go ahead. Okay. So remember, I'm going to dictate words. You're going to try to spell them your best. We're not going to worry. And then we'll look at our list to see which ones we know how to spell and which ones we need to be practicing. So your first word, okay, is she. She. Second word, we. It was so windy that, we ate the raisins. We. Third word, so. It was so windy that my hat blew off. So. 4, I have a dog, or I have a dog. A. He is our fifth word, he. Our sixth word is the. I'm going to go to the store. Seventh word, No. There are no bananas. 8th word, me. Me. 9th word, be. The dessert will be good. Be. 10, go. Our last word for this week is go. Now, if you're not finished, press pause and finish. If you are, I want you to get your list out of your package. I want you to go along and check or X. Go through and check and glue your list in. And tomorrow you're going to write each word twice. We'll see you back on Wednesday where I'm going to dictate some phrases.